Hello everyone, this is Dhiraj Poojary here, Max faculty, Pinnacle Education. I believe by the time you're watching this video, you must be having your 10th standard results in hand and you have decided to take up commerce. So I'll give you a brief idea about what you have in Max in 11th and 12th standard syllabus. So up to 10th standard, your Max portion was divided into two halves, say algebra and geometry. For people who did not like geometry in school, good news for you people, there is no geometry henceforth. Also, many people might not be liking trigonometry, what you've done in school, right? So good news for you people as well, there is no trigonometry as well. No geometry, no trigonometry, but what you have then exactly in max. So again, your max portion in 11, 12 is divided into two parts. One is algebra, second is statistics. So instead of geometry and trigonometry, you have statistics. Algebra, what you've done it in school, it will be continued to a next level in 11th and 12th standard. Statistics, you've done very basic stats in school, so you have a much higher level of stats to be done in 11th and 12th standard. Okay. So statistics will be more about, knowing formulae and doing your calculations well. And algebra, you will need good conceptual understanding. And yes, of course, formulas, you need to know well to do algebra as well. So let me just take up a topic and just give you some relativeness between what you've done it in school and now continuing further in 11, 12, how it is. So giving you an example, I would want you to see. Suppose now, I tell you people, I deposit 1 lakh rupees with a bank today. On the same date next year, I deposit more 1 lakh. The third year, on the same date, I deposit more 1 lakh. Like that, I deposit 1 lakh for the next 5 years with a particular bank. So after 5 years, how much total money I have deposited? 5 lakh. Correct? My question to you people is, after 5 years, when I go to withdraw my money, considering I have not deposited anything else in between, nor withdrawn anything in between. After 5 years, if I go to withdraw my money, there is a question I want to ask you people, okay? How much money will be there in the bank? I give you three options, okay? It will be 5 lakh. It will be less than 5 lakh. Or it will be more than 5 lakh. And I'm very sure you must be having an instant answer. All of you must be having this answer in mind, more than 5 lakh. And you're absolutely correct. Why more than 5 lakh? So one word answer, interest. I have deposited it for 5 years now. So I have to get the interest for 5 years. So I will, suppose this is a bank which is paying 6% rate of commission. So at 6% over the next 5 years, along with interest now, when I go to withdraw my money, I'm just taking a random number. For example, I'm saying that there must be 5,90,000 accumulated in my bank. Correct, na? So why that extra 90,000? It is interest. Now, if you compare it with what we have done in school, okay, 5 years is nothing but N, number of years we call N. 6% is rate of interest. We used to term it R. This 590, you used to call it as amount in school. The same thing now, it is called accumulated value. Right, and show you it is called accumulated value, denoted by A. In school, when you did simple interest, compound interest, you said amount A. Now it is accumulated value A. N is number of years, same. R is rate of interest, same. No change, no difference. Okay. So where is the difference now? Where is the difference is in school, when you did simple interest, compound interest, you had a single deposit done of say 1 lakh rupees, which we used to call it as principal P. There was a single deposit done, and the question used to be asked, okay, after 5 years, how much it will be? After 10 years, how much it will be? After 3 years, how much it will be? So when you did a single deposit, we used to call it as principal P. Now, it is the same amount which is deposited every time over a period of 5 years. So this single amount which is deposited for the next 5 years, this single figure, now this is called annuity. It is denoted by C. All right. Earlier, single deposit, it used to be called principal P. Now, multiple deposits, which is deposited over whatever number of years, doesn't matter. It is the single amount, same amount which is deposited over a period of years. It is called annuities. So here, when I wrote 590, I just wrote a approximate random number. But if I want to find out exactly how much is accumulated with my bank, then there is a direct formula for accumulated value A, which goes like this: C upon I in the bracket 1 plus I raised to n minus 1, where I is equal to R upon 100. In this sum, in this example, I took our C value is 1 lakh. N is the number of years 5. R is 6. Using R, you can calculate I. You can substitute all values you know in this formula and you can get a perfect answer for A, how much will be accumulated in my bank. So any sum which we will do in this particular chapter, okay, it will be to do with 4 things which we discussed just now: accumulated value A, number of years N, rate of interest R, and annuities. Out of these 4, any 3 will be given to you in the question. When you read, you will be easily be able to make out, and the 4th one will be asked. In this example, I showed you C was given, N was given, R was given, A is asked. In the next few sums, when we continue, maybe A will be given, N will be given, R will be given, C will be asked. So out of 4, if any 3 are given, can I find out the 4th one? Okay. So I just want you to compare. You did simple interest, compound interest in school. So this is one step further now. It's like the next level of sums you're doing. Okay, where it's not a single deposit, which we call principal, but multiple deposits are there, which is called annuities. I hope you understood this concept. So, with respect to your 11th standard, when you join in, different students will be there from different colleges, having different portions for your unit test, for your semesters and all. 11th standard is a little chaotic with respect to the different colleges having different portions, different timings of unit tests, semesters and all. But we will be taking care of each and every college. Like, for example, we will, as soon as we finish a chapter, we will be conducting a test on that. As soon as your unit test or college semesters will be there, whatever portion will be there for your respective college, we will be taking up a revision of those chapters. We will be taking up combined chapters, test of those chapters, whatever you have for your college exam, and will be well taken care of. As we move into 12th standard, then colleges really don't matter, because we will be, preparing you for the board exam, which is common for all students, all colleges. So we'll be preparing you as per boards. For, more details, for more of this, let us meet live in class. So here I end up what I have to say. Thank you all.